back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. Hello 2022, we are here and we're starting off with our 320 Si. Some of you watched the vlog, some of you haven't. It is a good series to do. This is to promote our detailing bay. We moved into this unit about 6 months ago now. We had a detailing bay sort of set out ready to go. When we're doing a lot of brand new cars, which we do, M4s, 135Is, in fact we've got a brand new Mini sitting there at the minute, you're only really sort of showcasing 10% because the car's 90%, you know, pretty much done already. We're just doing the last 10%. So we brought this to showcase what can be done. This car was literally at 10%, so we had 90% to do. As you can see through the previous sort of vlogs, the transformation we've obviously done from it, from interior, engine, exterior, paintwork correction, coating. And as you can see at the beginning of this vlog, we added some period correct M Performance front carbon canards. We changed out all the badging on the cars, fresh new number plates, a set of Eibach spacers, pop across air filter. Just a few things just to bring it a little bit more up to date, and of course the service on the car. It is going up for sale. We're probably going to put it on collecting cars. These are quite rare and limited, so fingers crossed it will go for a good, chunk of change and we could buy something else. So as you can see, the car is absolutely flawless. I'll put down a description of list of what's been done, and it's all Gtechniq products, Crystal Serum Light, Exo, Topo, C5 wheel armor, etc. The car got a little bit dirty, as you can see, some before and after. So before is actually before the car was treated, and after. So you actually had time to wash it, so you can see the car beading, which is obviously the money shot of when people have their cars coated. And you can see this is an old car with not the best paintwork and how it's beading up. Imagine this on a brand new car. So we do really strongly suggest, if you have something that's expensive, or anything that's not expensive, do get it coated. It just protects it from the everyday dirt, grime, bird muck, etc, etc. The reason why it got dirty was JM on Cars had it. If you don't follow him, there's another link down below to his YouTube channel, and he gave the car a little review. He always does the sort of quirky cars, so this fitted the bill perfectly. As we know, homologation special, hand-built engine, etc. One other thing we need to finish up on, if you look on the dashboard, I'm sure Jay's probably already doing a bit of pan in the B-roll, we had the World Touring Car Driver 2005, 2006 and 2007 Andy Priya in to sign the car. He's a local guy, we know he's sung quite well. So this car was built as a homologation special for the World Touring Cars, and he won the championship for BMW in a 320 Si. So this car has been signed by him, maybe a bit of a seal of approval. I did try and sell it to him, he said, no, I've got a Ford GT. Worth a try anyway. So, cars going for sale, collecting cars, you can see the befores and afters. This is what we can do. Continue to follow, support us as much as you can. Follow the detailing page on Instagram, and let us know what you think of the little Project 320 Si.